Imagine having the freedom to go wherever you want with comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology at your fingertips. In today's video, we're showcasing 20 smart mobility scooters that are transforming personal transportation like never before. From ultra-portable folding models to high-tech scooters packed with smart safety systems, GPS tracking, digital displays, and impressive battery range, these innovative machines are designed to make everyday travel easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're looking for convenience, independence, or the latest mobility technology, this list has something for everyone. Stay tuned as we count down 20 incredible smart mobility scooters you absolutely must see. Pride Mobility Revo 2.0. The Pride Mobility Revo 2.0 is a smart mobility scooter that perfectly balances comfort, durability, and portability. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it features Pride's Comfort Track suspension, giving riders a smooth and stable experience even on uneven surfaces. The scooter offers a top speed of up to 5 miles per hour, a driving range of up to 17 miles, 28 kilometers, and an impressive weight capacity of 400 pounds. One of its best features is the easy disassembly system, making transport and storage simple. Depending on the model and retailer, the Pride Revo 2.0 typically starts at around $2,765, making it a premium yet highly reliable mobility solution for everyday independence. The VOCIC D62 ACEturn Smart Mobility Scooter is designed for riders who want comfort, stability, and modern mobility features in one package. This four-wheel scooter offers a sturdy frame, comfortable seating, responsive steering, and a smooth ride suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With a strong battery system, reliable motor performance, and an impressive travel range, it provides dependable everyday transportation. The D62 ACEturn is priced at approximately $3,380, positioning it in the premium mobility scooter category. Overall, it delivers a blend of convenience, safety, and independence that many users will appreciate. CareCo Zoom Pro. The CareCo Zoom Pro is a compact, travel-friendly smart mobility scooter built for everyday independence and ease of transport. It features a 270-watt motor, a top speed of 6.4 kilometers per hour, and a battery range of up to 11.6 miles, making it ideal for short urban trips. Its quick disassembly design allows easy storage in car boots, while front and rear suspension ensures a smoother ride on uneven paths. With solid puncture-proof tires, swivel seat, and delta tiller controls, it feels intuitive and safe. Priced around £869 and 99 pence, it offers solid value for a reliable, entry-level mobility solution. Boomerbuggy X Pro. The Boomerbuggy X Pro is a bold, fully enclosed, smart mobility scooter designed for all-weather independence and comfort. It comes equipped with a powerful 1,200-watt motor, a 60-volt 45-ampere-hour battery, and delivers a driving range of up to 60 kilometers on a single charge, with speeds reaching around 20 kilometers per hour. Its standout feature is the car-like cabin, with heating, air conditioning, power windows, and a sunroof, making it feel more like a micro vehicle than a scooter. Priced roughly between $7,500 and $9,500, it targets premium users who want maximum comfort, protection, and extended urban mobility. Baja Wrangler 2. The Baja Wrangler 2 is a rugged, adventure-focused smart mobility scooter built for users who need serious outdoor performance without sacrificing comfort. Powered by dual motors, it delivers impressive stability across gravel, grass, and uneven terrain, while its heavy-duty suspension smooths out rough rides. With a top speed of around 11 miles per hour and a range reaching up to 26 miles, depending on battery setup, it balances power and endurance well. Pricing typically starts around $5,500 to $7,600 depending on configuration. It's a premium, durable mobility solution designed for freedom, control, and confidence outdoors. Scoozy S800. The Scoozy S800 is a modern, adventure-ready mobility scooter designed for users who want comfort, stability, and off-road confidence in one package. It features a robust 18-inch wheel setup, advanced suspension, and a powerful 70 ampere-hour lithium battery that delivers up to around 50 kilometers of range on a single charge. With a top speed of about 8 miles per hour, 13 kilometers per hour, it handles both urban roads and rough terrain smoothly. Pricing typically starts around £5,995, or roughly €7,995, depending on the market. It feels less like a traditional scooter and more like a compact all-terrain mobility vehicle built for independence. GIO Tron Pro. The GIO Tron Pro is a well-built smart mobility scooter designed for users who want comfort, stability, and long-range performance in one package. It comes with a 600-watt motor, 4-wheel stability system, and a graphene battery that delivers up to around 45 miles, 70 kilometers of range on a full charge. With speeds reaching up to 15 miles per hour and a strong 330 to 440 pounds load capacity depending on configuration, it feels solid and dependable. Pricing usually sits around $2,995 to $3,000. Overall, it's a feature-rich mobility scooter that blends practicality with a surprisingly modern, comfortable riding experience. WHILL Model R. The WHILL Model R is a premium smart mobility scooter that blends sleek design with serious engineering. It features a compact turning radius of around 35 to 38 inches, a 325-pound weight capacity, and a range of up to about 10 to 12 miles per charge, depending on configuration. Its independent suspension and stabilizer system give it a remarkably smooth and stable ride, even on uneven surfaces, while the quick 10-second disassembly makes transport easier than most scooters in its class. Pricing typically starts around $2,400 to $2,500. Overall, it feels modern, precise, and built for confident everyday urban mobility, with a touch of luxury. iCAN X15. The iCAN X15 is a compact and budget-friendly smart mobility scooter designed for easy travel and everyday convenience. It comes with a 270-watt motor, 24-volt lithium battery, and a top speed of around 4 miles per hour, making it ideal for pavement use and short urban trips. The range is roughly up to 10 miles per charge, depending on terrain and load, while its lightweight folding frame makes it highly portable for car storage. Pricing typically falls around £600 to £700. Overall, it's a practical, no-fuss mobility solution that focuses more on portability and ease of use than high-speed performance. Paiseec L5. The Paiseec L5 is a lightweight, travel-friendly smart mobility scooter designed for everyday convenience and easy portability. It comes with a 250-watt brushless motor, a 36-volt lithium battery, and delivers a top speed of around 5 miles per hour, making it ideal for safe urban use. The range is typically up to 15 miles per charge, while its foldable magnesium frame keeps the weight impressively low at around 32 to 40 pounds, depending on configuration. Pricing usually starts near $1,500. Overall, the L5 stands out for its suitcase-style folding design, smooth ride quality, and practical balance between comfort, portability, and modern mobility tech. Scoozy C. The Scoozy C Smart Mobility Scooter stands out as a premium blend of mobility scooter and powered wheelchair, offering a smooth and confident ride for everyday independence. It comes with a powerful lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 50 kilometers of range, extendable to 100 kilometers, along with a top speed of around 15 kilometers per hour. Its joystick control, 16-inch wheels, and advanced suspension make handling easy even on rough terrain. With a strong build supporting up to 150 kilograms, it feels both stable and modern. The price is typically around €9,995, placing it in the high-end mobility category. Roma Shoprider Havana. The Roma Shoprider Havana is a well-built mid-range mobility scooter designed for users who want comfort, stability, and dependable outdoor performance. It typically comes with a powerful battery system offering around 20 to 25 miles of range and a top speed of up to 8 miles per hour, making it suitable for both pavement and road use. Its full suspension, captain-style seat, and pneumatic tires ensure a smooth and steady ride even on uneven surfaces. With a weight capacity of about 160 kilograms, it feels sturdy and secure. Prices usually fall around £2,500 to £3,200, depending on configuration and dealer options. Monarch Storm Mobility Scooter. The Monarch Storm Mobility Scooter is a strong and reliable Class 3 mobility scooter built for users who need comfort and long-distance capability. It offers a top speed of 8 miles per hour, with an impressive range of up to 24 miles, powered by a 1,650-watt motor and dual 75 ampere-hour batteries. Its full front and rear suspension, large 14-inch wheels, and sturdy frame deliver a smooth ride even on rough paths. With a 30-stone weight capacity, it feels very stable and secure. Prices typically range around £3,200 to £3,900, depending on the supplier and offers available. FORCEMECH ARC. The FORCEMECH ARC is a premium smart mobility scooter that blends luxury design with advanced engineering, aimed at users who want both comfort and high-end performance. It features dual 300-watt brushless motors, a 24-volt lithium-ion battery, and offers a top speed of around 4 miles per hour with a travel range of up to 15 miles. Its joystick control, reclining seat, pneumatic tires, and strong 330-pound weight capacity make it highly stable and easy to handle. With a price range of roughly $7,000 to $10,000, it sits firmly in the luxury mobility segment, offering comfort, style, and modern smart features. Rubicon FX07. The FORCEMECH ARC is a premium smart mobility scooter that feels more like a luxury mobility chair than a standard scooter. It is powered by dual 300-watt brushless motors with a 24-volt lithium battery, offering a smooth ride, a top speed of around 4 miles per hour, and a travel range of up to 15 miles. Its joystick control, reclining cushion seat, and sturdy 330-pound weight capacity make it both comfortable and reliable for daily use. With advanced suspension and indoor-outdoor stability, it stands out in design. The price is typically around $7,000 to $10,000, reflecting its high-end build quality. GR596 Golden Eagle. The GR596 Golden Eagle is a heavy-duty smart mobility scooter built for serious outdoor performance. It delivers a powerful 1,400-watt motor, up to 11 miles per hour speed, and a 34-mile range, making it ideal for long outdoor rides. With a 500-pound capacity, full suspension, and 13-inch all-terrain tires, it handles rough paths and uneven ground with confidence. Priced around $5,000, it feels premium, offering Bluetooth, LED lights, NFC ignition, and a comfortable captain seat. Overall, it is a reliable choice for users needing power, comfort, and long-distance mobility outdoors daily. Baja Raptor 2 4-wheel. The Baja Raptor 2 4-wheel is a high-performance smart mobility scooter built for users who want both speed and stability in one package. It comes with a powerful setup offering up to 13 miles per hour top speed and around 21 miles of range, depending on rider weight and terrain. The 400-pound capacity, full suspension system, and large 16-inch tires make it feel confident even on rough outdoor paths. With a premium captain seat, LED lighting, and modern controls, it feels more like a small utility vehicle than a scooter. Price typically sits around $3,700 to $4,800, making it a premium outdoor mobility choice. Robooter Q40. The Robooter Q40 is a compact, smart mobility scooter designed for users who value portability without losing comfort. It features a foldable frame NFC keyless start and app-based controls, making it feel modern and secure. With a 300-pound capacity, it offers a top speed of around 8 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 30 kilometers depending on battery option, 10 ampere hours or 20 ampere hours. The lightweight build, tight turning radius, and suspension-like stability make it ideal for indoor and light outdoor use. Prices typically range between $2,800 to $3,500, depending on configuration and region availability. XSTO M4 Pro. The XSTO M4 Pro is a cutting-edge smart mobility scooter that blends advanced self-balancing technology with real-world practicality. It offers a 150 kilogram capacity, up to 26 kilometers range, and a top speed of around 6 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The seat is highly adjustable with tilt, recline, and height control for personalized comfort. With omnidirectional wheels, strong hill climbing ability, and app-based smart control, it feels futuristic yet stable. Priced around $5,300 to $5,700, it targets premium users who need independence, safety, and advanced mobility features in one compact, foldable design.